How do you usually measure things? What instrument did you use? What are the different standard units of measure? To answer this, join me in exploring the concept of measuring quantities. Which is taller? Which is heavier? How fast is the car? What is your body temperature? These are the words that used to describe measurement. But what is measurement? Measurement is a number that characterizes an object or event which can be compared with other objects or events. There are two systems of measure: the metric system or the International System of Measure or SI, and the English system. Most countries, including the Philippines, use the SI unit of measure. Can you identify the basic unit of measure for different quantities? That's right. The commonly used unit of measure for different quantities are the length, volume, mass, temperature, time, capacity, and angle. Can you differentiate each other based on their uses? The first one is length. It is used to describe how long a physical quantity is. It includes distance, height, depth, and the like. The basic instrument used in measuring length is a ruler. It has 4 units of measure: millimeter, centimeter, inches, and foot. Meter stick is used to measure longer lengths, like measuring the floor of your house and the distance between the ceiling and the floor, and many more. The second one is the volume and capacity. Volume is the measure of how much amount of space is occupied by a 3-dimensional figure. Capacity is the amount contained in a 3-dimensional figure. Volume can be measured using SI units like cubic meter or solid, which is the basic unit for volume. Other unit of measure is liter or litre, which is equivalent to 1,000 cubic centimeters. For English system, gallon, pints, or fluid ounce are used to measure the capacity of liquid contained in a 3-dimensional figure. The third one is mass. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter, substance in an object. The basic SI unit for mass is the kilogram. But the smaller mass may be measured in grams. For big amount of mass, the unit of measure is ton. The next one is the temperature. Temperature refers to the measure of the hotness or coldness of an object or substance with reference to some standard value. The instrument used to determine temperature is a thermometer. It is measured by Kelvin, degree Celsius, and degree Fahrenheit. The commonly used units of measure for temperatures are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. The fifth one is the time. Time is very important and fundamental quantities of physical world. As the saying goes, time is gold. Everything you do is bounded with time. Time is a period during which an action or event occurs. Earth revolves around the sun for 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 46 seconds. However, the 365 days is adopted as equivalent to 1 year. Nevertheless, the 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 46 seconds are still considered. That is why we have leap year, which is 366 days every 4 years. The next one is angle. Angle is formed by 2 rays intersecting at a point called the vertex of the angle. The 2 rays are called the sides of the angle. The amount of the opening of the 2 sides determines the measures of the angle. The unit of measure is degrees, and the instrument used to measure the angle is a protractor. And the last one is rate. Rate is a ratio of 2 different quantities. Among these ratios are speed, which is the ratio between distance and time. Water consumption is the ratio of the price per cubic meter, and many more. Are you now familiar with the different units of measuring quantities? Great! Let us apply what you have learned in this lesson. I Identify the appropriate unit of measurement in the given quantities. Identify the measuring devices for each of the following. Choose your answer inside the box. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Math Cycle, like the videos, and hit the bell button for updates. I hope you learned in today's lesson. In the next episode, we will be focusing on conversions of unit of measurement. This is Ma'am Normita, your math teacher.